Hi everybody, it's Debbie here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoy what you're about to see today. And if you are new here, then thank you so much for clicking on this video and deciding to watch today. I hope you enjoy what I am about to share. A couple of weeks ago, I asked what people would like to see in the way of planning videos in the future, because I have various different planners, and usually I just share my catch-all planner, which is this classic sized happy planner in the dashboard style. And they wanted to know how to decorate without using a lot of expensive stickers. So today I'm still going to plan in this classic size planner. So I'm planning for the first week of August, I believe. Yes, the first week of August. So this will be August the 3rd to the 9th. And I thought it would be nice to show you how I am going to do something new. So let's plan without a bunch of expensive stickers this week, shall we? So let's take these out. And so let's not do any stickers this week. Let's just use an idea that I came up with sometime last year. Now this idea came from my old job, which was in-home daycare. So I supplied everything for the kids, and I had an extensive children's library, but there were some books that just weren't in good enough shape to give away. And this was a favorite of the kids. It's always a favorite of the kids, no matter where they are or who they are, just because of the lilting way that you can read this book. And it's so much fun for them. This book was read probably 3-4 times a week for 21 years, to the point that I knew it off by heart at one time. So as you can see, there's not a lot of pages left in it, and the ones that are left even are cut up, but there's a bit left in here, so I'm not going to throw it away. And I'm going to hold my planner back over here and show you what I did. So in the back of my planner, I'm just going to go right to the back of my planner. I have a couple of these little envelopes that I will throw little items in if I find them and I think they're going to be great for planning. Or I can do something like this, which is take an envelope, and this is just a card envelope, and I fussy cut a bunch of stuff out of a children's book, the one I just showed you, and stuck them in this envelope. Now I did this a week or so ago so that I'd be ready for this video. Okay, I can get rid of this again. And I'm going to show you how to make a sweet spread that's really fun, really cute, and I am going to just use these cutouts, a couple of sheets off of a notepad for the white paper, and because I'm going to cover up this side, so I'm just going to use a glue stick. So I'm going to start by decorating this page, I think. Yeah, this page. Okay, so I'm going to set this one up here. I am going to and put that down there. And then I'm just going to turn it over and cut it off. I'm just going to cut the excess off. There. I don't need a bunch of lists this week. I'll be in quarantine. I can't. You don't need a whole bunch of lists. You just need your today's to-do lists when you can't go anywhere or do anything. So, sorry, I keep bumping this, and I'm so sorry for that. So I am going to pop out the pieces here that I've cut. Let's see if I can make sure I get them all, and look for the ones that I was thinking of using on here. So let's set this aside. I'm going to sort them out and see what I have. So this is basically what you have to do when you've got a bunch like this. So not this one. Probably not a lot of these big ones. I want more of the fussy cut ones. So I think it was this one. I really liked this one to go down there. And then I really liked, and I fussy cut, the ones that I wanted to use for today's, I made sure I had completely fussy cut. The other ones I'm not sure, so I hadn't trimmed them all the way yet. So there. Of course, I need thing 1 and thing 2. And the other main character that's missing is fish. There. So that'll be that page. Then I'm going to take this one down, just like this. And I had a nice triangle one, but I'm thinking that if I've got 2 pages here. I took 2 weeks out, guys. I don't need 2 weeks. There. So I think I'm going to take this one and put it here like this, or maybe I'll just put it over here like this and cover Saturday right up, because that, I'm going to do that. And then I had this one that I wanted to put here like this, and this one I'll put over here like this. And then there was this little one that I'm going to put down here. So I'm going to put these on, see how I like them. I'm going to take the larger pieces. Now look at this one. So I still have enough for another spread, and this will be the second spread that I've done out of that book. So I could do one in a different happy planner. The last time I used this, I used it in a vertical planner, which was fine. I loved that as well. And so yeah, these are gonna go into the envelope. So right back in here so that I don't lose them, and this can go back into the back of my planner. And I'm going to put these together, and that's all I'm going to do is I'm going to glue them down. So this is dirt cheap. So in this case it's free because I already had the book, but there are numerous sources of children's books, fairy tales, all kinds of things like that, or picture books. If you have magazines, books, any kind of books, you can do the same type of thing with it. So just get a theme, start collecting your pieces, fussy cut them out, and you're off. You're off. Dollar Tree has books for $1, so you can find all kinds of books there. Even cookbooks. If you wanted to do a food spread and you found a cookbook with a bunch of small pictures in it, what an amazing way to do a food spread. That would be awesome. And children's books, like I said here, I picked up a really cool copy, just a little book like this for $1 at the Dollar Tree, or at Dollarama the other day, and it's Peter Pan, and it's a beautiful, the illustrations are absolutely beautiful, just awesome. I better put the cat in first so I know where to put the fish. And that's the other thing too. Make sure you figure out where your stuff is going before you start to glue down. And if you have a little piece like this and something like that happens, I'll show you what I'm gonna do. I am going to take this and this separately, and I'm just gonna put them on there. Come on off of there. there. So like this. I'm going to put that down, and then I'm going to attach this. There. Nobody will be the wiser. I'm going to put this down in the corner. Just to even out my page. And then I am going to add another fish because I want the characters, I want the main characters on each page. I'm going to put that like that. There. And I have enough room to write, lots of room to write actually. And I love it. I absolutely love it. Now, I'm going to put these back in the envelope. But first, I'm going to show you what this looks like. Because at more, or not so much a plan with me this week. Of course, I'm in a hurry. But yeah. I just wanted to show you how fast this could be done. So imagine, you saw how fast I did the actual spread. So if it was just me here and I wasn't moving things around and filming and stuff like that, 10 minutes tops to do this. So there you go. There's my planner spread for August 3rd to the 9th. So I'm just going to write down maybe a TV show. I have nothing planned this week. I'm in quarantine with, whoops, stick that back down. I touched it too soon. So I'm in quarantine with my granddaughter. She has stuff to do through the day. I have stuff to do through the day. And this will be fun. This will actually be fun. I was wondering about putting a few little books in here. I think, no, I'm going to save the books. I have an idea for another spread for this and kind of changing the theme for it, which I'll do in a different planner and way down the line. So the last time I used this book, and then I put it away into my stash. The last time I used this, I cut out the smaller pieces. I cut out some, box size pieces. I did a few double box sized pieces, and I planned in the vertical planner, and it worked in that as well. This style, the good thing about this is that it works in any planner. Find a small storybook, you're going to have smaller pictures for a small size planner. So big storybook, classic, small storybook, mini. It's just all your imagination, and the cost is next to nothing, especially if you can get a book for $1 at Dollar Tree and use it twice. So 50 cents. So we're talking a cheap way to decorate, and that's awesome. So I hope you enjoyed this little idea. I have one more thing that I want to do this time right here, and I am going to take, I'm going to take this orange pen, and it's a studio pen from the Dollar Tree, and I am going to take this and I am going to make a string for my kite. Just like that. And I may even color these little bows in. Why not, eh? Because I can do whatever I want. This is Yeah, so because I didn't have anything to plan this week, I thought it would be a good time to show you an alternative to expensive planner stickers. So I hope you enjoyed this idea, everybody, and I hope you put it to use because it is cute, and you can do it in any style you want to. This just happened to be what I have on hand, and yeah, so don't forget to go over and hit that subscribe button for more great ideas, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye for now. Take care.